Did you just get a Cricut for Christmas and you have absolutely no idea what to do next? Or maybe you bought it a long time ago and it's been sitting in the box because you're so intimidated by it? If this sounds like you, this is the right video series for you. I know it can be very overwhelming having this machine that has so much potential, and you know you've seen so many other people do really amazing things with it and you just kind of want to be in that club. I know it's a lot. It's intimidating, it's overwhelming at times, but I promise you there's a way forward. It begins with just simple knowledge. Knowledge is power. I truly believe this. I've been working in education almost all of my career. It's a huge passion of mine. I know the literal transformative power of education. And the same thing here, it applies to Cricut as well. As long as you have that foundational knowledge in education, you can literally unlock those doors, potential to everything. So if this sounds like you, this sounds like something interesting to you, go ahead and click above here for my playlist, Cricut for Absolute Beginners. I am not trying to sell you anything. This is not a paid course. Completely free. All this information is on YouTube as it is right now. It starts off with episode 1, just talking about what is a Cricut, what can it do, what can't it do. We then go into what supplies do you need to go along with your Cricut, what don't you need, and then going into the design software, Cricut Design Space, like even how to get images from Etsy, put them into Cricut Design Space, on and on and on. And then we have projects, so it's very project based. So kind of like as you continue on with the episodes, every episode will have a specific project to show you step by step how to complete this project. There are 5 episodes out right now. Episode 6 will be out soon. So thank you so much for watching. Again, I'm not trying to sell anything. I'm just trying to have you watch. I truly believe in the power of education. And I actually, in the middle of doing this project of Cricut for Absolute Beginners, my channel was demonetized by YouTube. If you don't already know that story, I have a video here to show you about that story. But yeah, essentially I was demonetized my entire channel after being monetized for over 5 years on YouTube. And then I still decided to go forward with the project because at the end of the day, I just wanted to help people and kind of give that information out there. But at the end of the day, I'm a single mom. So every time you view my videos, you like, you comment, you share, you subscribe, that helps me, that helps my family. And I am eternally grateful for you. So again, not trying to sell you anything. Feel free to watch these videos, subscribe if you want to see more. For those of you who are new here, thank you so much. Join the circus that is here, that is my life sometimes. Thank you for being here. For those of you who've been here from the beginning, my OGs, thank you so much. I love and appreciate all of you, no matter what, so much. For this new year, I wish everyone love, blessings, and abundance. Let's be there for each other. Let's be there for ourselves. Let's show up for each other and just build our community. And thank you so much. Spreading love and joy to everyone. Thank you again. And if I didn't say it again, thank you.